Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Credo is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile products on the market today, and for good reason. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to streamline your workflow or a beginner eager to explore new possibilities, this product promises to elevate your experience. We've spent countless hours testing and evaluating its features to bring you an in-depth look at why it stands out from the competition and how it can benefit you. Number 5. Credo Corn Cutter Blades. Experience unparalleled sharpness with our premium blades. Designed for precision and durability, they ensure a clean and efficient cut every time. Crafted for professionals, these blades offer consistent performance. You can rely on their superior quality for all your needs. Get more for less with our convenient 100-pack. This bulk offering ensures you always have a fresh blade ready when you need it. Each blade is engineered for accuracy. Achieve the perfect cut with confidence, knowing you're using a tool designed for precision. Built to last, these blades maintain their edge through demanding use. Trust in their reliability for consistent results, project after project. What we like. This option provides a generous quantity, making it incredibly cost-effective for frequent users. If you go through a lot of blades or want to stock up for the long haul, this is the way to go. It ensures you always have a fresh blade ready without constant reordering. What people say. These blades fit the Credo Zolling and metal corn cutter perfectly, as expected. I've been using the cutter to slowly shave off calluses and dead skin and it works great. Best blades for the purpose in the market. The 100 blade pack will last a very long time. These blades have been around forever and still the best you can buy. Number 4. Credo Calli Blade Pack. Experience unparalleled precision with our premium blades. Designed for accuracy and comfort, they ensure a smooth and clean cut every time. Get more for your money with this convenient pack. You'll receive 2 sets of high-quality blades, ensuring you're always prepared. These blades are engineered for longevity. Their robust construction means they maintain their sharpness through repeated use. Trusted by professionals, our blades deliver consistent performance. Achieve the results you expect with tools that meet the highest standards. Never compromise on sharpness. Each blade is meticulously honed to provide a consistently keen edge for optimal results. Designed for quick and easy blade changes. Simply swap them out when needed for uninterrupted workflow and convenience. What we like. Experience unparalleled precision with these blades, designed for the most meticulous grooming. Their guaranteed sharpness ensures a clean and efficient cut every time. If you demand the utmost accuracy and a superior finish for delicate tasks, these are your ideal choice. What people say. These blades last the longest of any I have ever used. They work the best on my thick foot skin. These are the best callus blades. They shave the dead skin down perfectly. These are great for trimming down hard heel calluses. Blades are very sharp. Number 3. Credo Replacement Blades, 2-pack. Experience the unparalleled sharpness of our replacement blades. Designed for precision and comfort, they ensure a smooth and clean shave every time. This value pack provides you with a generous supply of 20 individual blades. You'll have plenty on hand for consistent grooming without frequent replacements. Our blades are engineered for a perfect fit with your Credo razor. Swapping them out is quick and easy, so you can maintain your routine without hassle. Crafted for durability, these blades maintain their edge for longer. Rely on them for a consistently close and comfortable shave, day after day. Make these replacement blades your essential grooming companion. They offer the quality and performance you expect for a superior shaving experience. What we like. This pack offers a balanced quantity for ease of use and storage. Replacing your blades is a breeze with this convenient size. If you prefer a manageable stock and simple maintenance for your tools, this is a practical and efficient selection. What people say. I have been using this brand for years and these are the best replacement blades. The Credo blades are very sharp and should only be used by a properly trained licensed nail technician. Very hard to find in stores. Not flimsy as others found elsewhere. Number 2. Credo Corn Cutter Replacement Blades. Experience unparalleled sharpness with these replacement blades. Designed for precision, they ensure a clean and effective cut every time. Say goodbye to difficult corn removal. These blades make the process quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Crafted for durability, these blades are built to last. Enjoy consistent performance through multiple uses. Designed for a perfect fit, replacing your old blades is a breeze. Simply swap them out and get back to comfortable feet. Regain comfort and confidence with smooth, pain-free feet. These blades help you achieve the results you desire. What we like. Specifically engineered for the effective removal of corns, these blades offer reliable performance. They are built to tackle tough skin issues with ease. If you are specifically looking for a solution to address corns and need a dependable tool, this is the product for you. What people say. Although salons ban Credo knives to shave calloused foot skin, you can do this at home with a Credo brand knife and blades. I do not trust other manufacturers. Be sure to soak your feet in warm water for 5 minutes or take a shower bath before using. Skin will be softer and less likely to be cut too deeply. Shave off only enough of the callus to create a close to even surface with the live skin on your sole. Always use a light touch and let the razor do the work. Do not shave into live skin to avoid damaging live skin. After use, moisturize your feet with a product designed for feet only. In a week, check for calluses again. I have personally used this brand for years. These blades turn my leather pads into feet again. These blades can be used on both sides, so it is double the value. This thing works like a charm. Should have bought it years ago. It does the job with minimal risk of overcutting and is a well-built cutter. Number 1. Credo Corn Cutter with Clip-On Rasp. Tired of stubborn corns? Introducing the Credo Corn Cutter, designed for effective and easy removal. Its innovative design makes corn care simple. Experience the convenience of the clip-on rasp. This unique feature ensures a secure fit and optimal performance every time you use it. It's designed for your comfort and safety. Achieve smooth, pain-free skin with this gentle yet effective tool. It precisely targets corns without causing unnecessary irritation. Get the relief you deserve. Crafted with high-quality materials, this corn cutter is built to last. You can rely on its durability for consistent results. It's a long-term solution for foot care. Take control of your foot health with this essential grooming tool. It provides a simple and effective way to maintain smooth, healthy feet. Enjoy comfort with every step. What we like. This product offers an all-in-one solution for foot care, combining cutting and smoothing. The integrated rasp provides added convenience for comprehensive treatment. If you desire a versatile tool that handles multiple steps in one go, this is the perfect choice for streamlined grooming. What people say. The best I've ever used. I cannot find this in any stores locally, so I was happy when I found a replacement. Also, the blades are great, they seem much sharper and seem to last longer than others I've used. This works good on corns. This corn cutter is also very useful at trimming down calluses. It gently removes layer after layer of the callus and no more pain. This beats having to go to a podiatrist every couple of months, and I am happily able to walk pain-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.